The audio you're listening to right now is from the internal mics of the Insta360 X3, and the audio you're listening to now is from the Rode Wireless Me connected to the X3. An external microphone is a must to get high quality audio, otherwise your audio is going to sound like this, which is not very good. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 ways to vlog with your Insta360 X3 so you get the best sound quality possible. So let's get started. To follow along this tutorial, you will need the Rode Wireless Me, the X3 mic adapter, the X3 small rig cage, and the Insta360 PT20. I will include a link to all the accessories in the video description. The first way to vlog is to use single lens video mode. This will turn the X3 into a normal point-and-shoot action camera, so you don't have to do any reframing in editing. I really like this setup because it's very compact and you don't need to wear a microphone. To do this, first download and install the Rode Central app on your phone. The app will allow you to change the settings on your mics and update the firmware. Using the iPhone or Android cable provided in the box, plug the receiver into your phone and open the Rode Central app. First you need to turn on the microphone on the receiver. To do this, turn on Me Mic. To make the microphone dynamically adjust to quiet and loud sound, change the gain assist to dynamic. When you are vlogging with a single microphone, the audio should be on both the left and right channels, so make sure the mode is set to merged. To avoid your audio peaking too easily, I found the low setting to be the best level for the X3. Once you're happy with the settings, disconnect the receiver from your phone. Now let's set up the X3 rig. Insert the X3 into the small rig cage, pull out the X3 side door, insert the X3 mic adapter, mount the furry windshield onto the receiver, clip the receiver into the cage, connect the Rode cable with the 2 black connectors into the receiver and the X3 mic adapter, tidy up the cable, turn on the X3 and the receiver. In the X3 settings, make sure the external mic gain is set to 0 dB for the best audio quality possible. And if you want the X3 screen to stay on while you are recording, so you can check the framing, go to Auto Sleep and turn during recording off. To vlog like a normal action camera, go to Modes, Single Lens and Video Mode. Change the settings to the default field of view for in-camera stabilization, 16:9 for YouTube, and linear to remove fisheye distortion. For the best video quality possible, choose 4K resolution and 30 frames per second. Tap the camera icon to choose whether you want to vlog with the front or back lens. Before you start recording, it's best to check that the microphone is actually working. To do this, tap the microphone and on the X3 screen, you should see the audio levels spike. This shows the microphone is picking up the sound correctly. Once you are happy the microphone is working and set up, press record and start vlogging. The second way to vlog is to use 360 video mode. This will give you the flexibility to reframe your 360 video in any direction of your choice. What I like about this mode is the endless creative possibilities to capture creative angles with brilliant audio. If you want an invisible microphone in your 360 video, then you'll need to use both the receiver and transmitter. Remove the furry windshield from the receiver to keep it invisible, and add the furry windshield to the transmitter to reduce the wind noise. Plug the transmitter into your phone and open the Rode Central app. Change the gain assist to dynamic and disconnect the transmitter from your phone. Next, plug the receiver into your phone and turn off the Me Mic. If you don't do this, then you will record audio from the receiver and transmitter at the same time. Then disconnect the receiver from your phone. Next, let's set up the X3 rig. Insert the Insta360 PT20 under the X3 and mount your selfie stick to hold it in place. Pull out the X3 side door, insert the X3 mic adapter, clip the receiver into the Insta360 PT20, Use the short audio cable provided with the Elanzi PT20 to connect the receiver and X3 mic adapter. Turn on the X3, receiver and transmitter. Clip the transmitter on yourself. To vlog in 360 video mode, go to Modes, 360 and Video mode. For the best video quality possible, choose 5.7K resolution and 30 frames per second. Double check the microphone is working and press record to start vlogging. This is by far the best way to vlog with the Insta360 X3 at the moment. The key advantage the Rode Wireless Me has over the Rode Wireless Go 2 is the dynamic gain assist setting. You don't need to worry about audio levels anymore because dynamic gain assist will increase the gain when the sound is too quiet and it will lower the gain when the sound is too loud. If you're undecided between the Rode Wireless Me and the Rode Wireless Go 2, I would say the Rode Wireless Me is best for those who are going to be capturing audio on their own, and the Rode Wireless Go 2 is good for those who want to capture interviews. That's it for this video. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more X3 tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.